In this video, I'm gonna tell you each and everything step by step you need to know in order to run your effective TikTok ads campaign for your Shopify store or any e-commerce product. Because if you know how to run your TikTok ads campaign perfectly and you actually run them in the efficient way, which I'm just gonna tell you today, then you will be able to get a lot of clicks on your TikTok ad and you can get maximum traffic and maximum conversions. So if you also want to get a lot of sales from your TikTok ads and make a lot of money by selling your Shopify dropshipping product, then I recommend you to watch this video till the end without skipping any step, because this is a comprehensive video in which I'm going to share you my complete experience about TikTok ads, and I'm going to share you each and every detail without skipping any part. So without any further delay, let's start the video. But before getting started, I'm Adset and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on my TikTok Ads Manager. So if you don't know that how you can sign up for your TikTok Ads account from the business.tiktok.com and how you can add yourself into someone else's TikTok account or how you can add someone else in your TikTok ad account to basically help you running your ad, then make sure to watch my previous video in which I explain you in detail like how you can sign up for your TikTok Business Manager and how you can get to this screen. So I'll put the link of that video in the description of this video. So make sure to watch that video if you don't know that how you can sign up for your TikTok Business Manager or if you haven't signed up yet. But if you have signed up for your TikTok Ads account, then after logging into your Business Manager, you will see a screen like this. So to get familiar from the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard, you need to learn about these 3 tabs in the top, like dashboard, campaigns and assets. So the dashboard is basically a kind of dashboard where you can see all of the data of your campaigns. The campaign tab is the tab where you can create campaign, where you can create ad set and where you can monitor and make changes in your campaign. And the third thing, asset, is basically the most important tab. And the first step before start running your ad is to create a TikTok pixel and connect that pixel to your Shopify store. So you'll be able to track the activity of your customer on your Shopify store. Like how many visitors are present on your Shopify store in past 24 hours in which time slot, how many of them actually click on your product, how many of them actually click on add to cart, and how many of them actually purchase. So if you want to analyze all that stuff, then you must need to install the pixel on your Shopify store. This is a must do before start creating your ad. So to install the pixel, you need to click on asset and then you need to click on events. And there you will see 2 managers, app events and web events. Because you are not marketing any app, you want people to land on your Shopify store, which is a website. So you need to click on manage web events. After clicking on manage, you will be able to see this web events screen, and you can see there I have already have my pixel created and connected with my Shopify store, which name is TikTok Pixel for Shopify, and you can see that it is active now. But if you land on this screen for the first time, you will not be able to see this one. You will be able to see create a pixel button. So you just need to click on that button and leave it from here. And then you need to go on your Shopify store like that, and there you have to click on apps button. So you can see that under the online store, I am having 2 tabs here, Facebook and TikTok. So you will not be able to see this TikTok button here, but after installing Pixel, you will be able to see this TikTok button here. So to install the Pixel, you need to click on apps and there you need to click on customize your store. So that basically takes you to the Shopify app store, and here you need to search TikTok and click on enter, and after that you need to find this app which name is TikTok, and this is by TikTok Inc. So you need to basically install this app only. You don't need to add any other app because these are not from TikTok officially. So you need to simply click on this and then you need to click on install button here. So as I have already installed that app in my Shopify store, so here it says me app installed. But on your side, it will say install app. So when you click on install app button and click on next, after clicking on next for the few steps, you will be able to see the TikTok app will be installed on your Shopify store, and you will be able to see a TikTok button like this. So after you see the TikTok button here and after getting the confirmation, you need to again go to your TikTok Ads Manager and then you need to click on refresh, and here you will be able to see your TikTok pixel. So you will be able to see a button which says that I have already connected my Shopify store from TikTok app. You need to click on that button so you can confirm the Business Manager that I have already attached my TikTok account with my Shopify store. Then after confirming that, you need to wait for 10 to 15 minutes to get the both app perfectly integrated. So when you come after 10 to 15 minutes and you click on refresh, so you will be able to see Pixel active like this. So once your Pixel will be active, you need to go on campaigns, and this is the dashboard where you actually need to start campaign. But before starting campaign, I recommend you to watch my previous video in which I explain you 5 things you know and you must get them done before start running your TikTok ads. Because if you don't get those 5 things done before start creating your TikTok ads, your TikTok ads may not perform good. So go there, watch that video and get those 5 things done. So after getting those 5 things done, you need to go again on your campaign manager and then you need to click on create a campaign. You can see that I'm already having one campaign here running and I'm creating another campaign just to show you how it works. So after click on create campaign, you need to click on custom mode, because in custom mode, there are a lot of options available for you to customize. So after that, you need to click on conversions. You have to leave reach, you have to leave traffic, and you need to click on conversion because we want conversion on our Shopify store. So the campaign name is Shower Head Campaign 2. Because this is my second campaign and the product name is shower head. And here I have to leave this no category declared, and here I have to leave this campaign budget optimization. I have to click on no limit because we will set the limit into the next step. So for there, we don't need to click on this campaign budget optimization. We just need to click on this no limit, because if we click on campaign budget optimization, so in order to reduce or limit budget, TikTok algorithm can just miss out many of the good buyers. So after clicking on no limit, you need to click on continue. So your campaign is created. Now you need to create ad set, and after that ad set, you need to create ad. So this is basically a 3-step process, just like Facebook: campaign, ad set, and ad. So we have just created the campaign with the name, conversion, and no ad limits. Now it's time for ad group. So we need to give a name to this ad group, shower head ad group, and then we have to leave this title. We have to fill this later. I will tell you in this video. Now we have to go down. We have to click on website, because we want traffic on our website, and here it will ask us that is our pixel is created or not. So that's why I ask you in the starting of this video that you must need to install your pixel before start running TikTok ad. So as you know, I'm already having my pixel active. So if I click there, it will show me my pixel in drop down menu, which is active. TikTok pixel for Shopify. I basically named this pixel. So when I click on this, so it will select my pixel automatically. And now if I go down in optimization event, I need to click select, and then I need to click complete payments, because we want TikTok to consider one sale when someone complete the payment on our store. Because if we click on add to cart, so TikTok will consider all the add to cart as sale as well. So let's suppose if some people click on add to cart but they don't complete the payment and actually purchase, so TikTok will consider that add to cart event as a purchase as well. So we have to click on complete payments. So after that, we need to go down, and you can see that there are 2 placements, automatic and manual. So we need to click on manual placements because we want our ad to be displayed only on TikTok platform, not any other platform. So we need to uncheck all the other platforms, and we need to make sure that we only check TikTok. We need to further go down. We need to leave this create type, and here in this targeting section, this is the most important section. So here we need to leave automatic targeting and we need to click on manual targeting, because we want to tell TikTok manually that who are the group of people we want to actually target. So after going down, you need to set any one country here. If you want to promote your product in different country, then I recommend you to stick for one country for one ad set. Like for example, if you want to target USA and UK at the same time, so you need to target USA in this campaign, in this ad set, and you need to create another ad set, and you need to keep all the information same there, but change the country from USA to UK. And when you go down, so language, you can just click on English, or you can just leave it to no limit. And in gender, again, we need to leave it to no limit because this product is not gender dominant. But if your product is related to sports, or if your product is related to beauty and you think that your product is a gender specified, then you can just select any of the gender as per your product. And if you go down, we can see the age option, and in this age option we can select from 18 and onwards, because we don't want our ad to be displayed to the teenager between 17 and 13, because they usually don't have their credit cards and they are unable to purchase. So after selecting the age, you will be able to see the tab for audience. So you need to leave this because you don't need to include any audience and you don't need to exclude any audience. and if you go further down, you will be able to see interest and behavior. So this is basically the backbone of your campaign, because this is a place where you will tell TikTok that these are the group of people having certain interests to which you need to show my ads. So if I click on add interest and if I click on a drop down menu, so you will be able to see there are many interests here. So you need to find the interest that is 100% relatable to your product, and then you need to select that interest. And again, I recommend you to only select one interest per ad set. If you want to select more than one interest, then I recommend you to create more than one ad set. So right now I can see my product is not related to education, no tech, no travel, no business, no finance, household product it may be, but it is super relatable to home improvement. So I need to click here, and if you want to add household product in it, you need to create a different ad set. So after selecting the home improvement as an interest, I need to go down and I need to leave all these three options here, because we don't need to target hashtag, we don't need to target video interactions. And in the device section, we also have to leave it as it is, because we don't want to limit our ad to Android user, to laptop user, or to desktop user, or iOS user, because we want our ad to be displayed on every kind of audience that are using any kind of device. But if you still want to target any specific device, so you can just target from here. You can click on device, and here you can just target your device. But now I'm just leaving it as it is. And if I go down, you can see that there is a daily budget. So now this is the second most important part, because the minimum daily budget which TikTok recommends you is $20. But I recommend you to start with $50, because if you're creating your ad for the first time, then you need to give your ad set an enough budget to test out your ad. Because if your ad set will be having enough budget to display your ad to many audience, then it will be able to learn that which kind of audience are liking your ad or which kind of audience are not. Because after getting 2 or 3 sales from your TikTok ads on your Shopify store, TikTok ads will learn that which are the group of people who are basically interested in purchasing your product. So next time they will display your ad to those people who are basically belonging to the similar group of people who actually purchased your product in past. So if you want your ad to perform at its best, then I recommend you to start with $50 budget. But you can still start with $20 budget, no matter. But $50 is my recommendation, and whenever I start my ads with $50, they always perform great. And after that, you need to leave this time as it is, because this is the current time and I want my ad to start running from now. And here in day parting, I want my ad to run all the day, not any specific part of the day. So I need to click on this all day. So now the last part of this ad group is cost cap. We don't want the lowest cost, we need to click on cost cap. So this is basically a kind of bid that you are willing to pay for conversion. So here you can see that $42.18 TikTok is showing you the bid. So you need to just ignore this value, and you need to just divide your daily budget by 3 and put that value here, because this is basically my formula, and whenever I use this formula, it almost works every time. So let's open the calculator here, and 50 divided by 3, you can see that 16.66. So I can just put 15 here. So if I put 15 here, my campaign will be having the enough budget to show my ad to maximum people here. So after putting $15 here, I need to click on next. So the second step is also finished. So now it's time for final and the most important step, which is ad. So first of all, we need to type the creative name, which you can type any, like TikTok ad test. And here in the identity column, you can just type any name, like your page name will not be displayed on your TikTok ad. If you still want to change the name to be displayed on your ad, like if your product is related to fashion and your page name is something else, and you want your ad to be displayed from the name like fashion series or fashion product or fashion trends, then you can just type here. So you can see that I have just typed magical fan shower head here, and I have put a thumbnail here. So that will be displayed as the profile picture of my account, and that will be displayed as the name of my page, not the name of my real page. Because it is possible that you are having only one page and you want to run a 4 different products ad on this page, and you don't want the same page name to be displayed on all those 4 ads, all those 4 different product ads. So you can just customize the name from here, so that name will be shown in your ads. So when you go down, you can click on this single video, and here you can just click on upload video. But as I'm already having my video uploaded to my library, so I can click on this library button and I can just select this video and I can just click confirm. So my video will start displaying on my ad. Here if you go down, so here you need to type an attention grabbing eye-catchy text like get your shower holder today at start I need to write free shipping, because the word free shipping will attract the customers a lot and this will increase your click rate. So when we go further down, here is an option for destination page, like which is the page where you want your user to land after clicking on your ad. So obviously that will be your product page. So you need to go on your Shopify store and grab the product page link from here, and again go to your ads manager and paste the link here. So after checking a URL, if it's in working condition, it will verify. And after that, you will be able to see a call to action button. So by default, it is dynamic. So you need to click on standard, and there you need to click on shop now. And after clicking on shop now, you need to check on this button. So checking that button means that you are agree of all the terms and conditions of the TikTok ads manager. And at last, in the tracking section, you don't need to do anything here because we are already having our pixel set up for tracking. And these two options are for those who don't use pixel and who use some kind of third-party tool for tracking, but the pixel is the most authentic one I use. So that's almost 99% done. The only one thing left is the thumbnail. So when you go above, you can see the thumbnail button here, and when you click on thumbnail, you will be able to see some pictures from the video. But if you don't want to use this picture, you have designed your own thumbnail on Canva and you want to use that thumbnail, so you can just simply upload that thumbnail from your desktop, like I'm doing here right now. You can see here, I have just uploaded the thumbnail here. Click on confirm, upload, and after your thumbnail will be uploaded, you can click on confirm, select this one, save. So you can see that this will act as a thumbnail of your ad. So right now in the right side, you can see the display of your ad, like how your ad will be displayed on TikTok. Like when someone see your ad, firstly the thumbnail will be displayed. You can see that on the top right corner, your profile picture is displaying, and at the bottom, your page name is displaying, which you have just set. There's a shop now button at the bottom, and there's a heading like free shipping, got your shower head today. So that's all for your TikTok ads. You have just created the campaign, you have just created the ad set, and you have just created the ad. And the last and only thing you have to do is click on submit. So when you click on the submit, your ad will be submitted to TikTok's ad manager, and after 20 or 25 minutes, TikTok team will review your ad, and if it will be complying with all the policies, then TikTok will make your ad live. So as you can see here, 25 minutes already being passed, and you can see that my both ads are running and my both ads are active now. So that's easy how it is to set up your TikTok ads with the most efficient way and the most efficient strategy out there. So if you follow all these steps from beginning to here and you just run your ad just like this, then you will be able to get more and more sales, more and more clicks, and more revenue. So I hope you liked the video and this video teaches you a lot. So if this video really gives you a helpful information, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more free and informative videos regarding e-commerce like this in future. And if you want to discuss anything regarding your e-commerce business from me, so you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below, so I can listen to your question and give you the answer of those questions. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.